in my beauty guru setup and I've never worn this much makeup on camera, and you might be wondering why, and it's because I'm doing a prom get ready with me. Yes, I have a soul, and that soul likes to be girly sometimes. So this is me expressing my girliness and excitement for prom. That's actually a lie. I'm not that excited for prom, but I'm pretty excited to go there and vlog it and kind of make fun of it a little bit. But the one thing I do enjoy about prom is like actually putting on a bunch of makeup, curling my hair, putting on a cute dress. And speaking of cute dresses, thank you so much to davidsbridal.com for sponsoring this video. David's Bridal offers an assortment of dresses for prom, homecoming, other dances, if you go to regular school, those kinds of things, as well as accessories, shoes, handbags, the whole nine to just complete your look. And they're super affordable. Their dresses start at $99.95.
Wow.
And they offer sizes 0 through 22, so basically no one's gonna be left out. So I'm going to show you how I did my hair, makeup, and of course show you the beautiful dresses that they sent me. Also, don't forget to check out the description bar because I have a promo code that will save you even more money on these already cheap dresses. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much, David's Bridal. This just made me feel like a really pretty girl, so let's just get started. Okay, so after skincare, we're gonna get started with the makeup because beauty guru Haley is coming out of her shell nowadays. I put my hair up in a very strange way, so we're just gonna ignore that. But I don't know if you saw the video where I'm trying Milk makeup, but I'm a little obsessed with it, and like I don't own very much makeup, so I'm gonna be using mostly Milk makeup. So if you're wondering what I'm putting on my face, it's just mostly Milk makeup. First, I'm doing a little skin tint. This is called the Sunshine Tint by them, and this is going to be a very natural look because I typically don't even wear that much makeup, and I'm not really a fan of the heavy makeup wearing. Oh no! I forgot to prime, but I would usually use the Milk Makeup Blur Stick to prime, and I would use a cooling stick, but clearly I'm just like way too excited to film this video, so I completely forgot both of those steps. You're gonna want to prime because you're gonna be sweaty and all that kind of jazz, but this is just for the video. I'm not actually going to prom in this video. I'll probably do a completely separate vlog for that. Wow, I am so white. It's like my first day of spring break, and clearly I haven't gotten any sun yet, so I'm going to use this Flex concealer and conceal my under eyes and my blemishes. Now I'm going to contour my face because I don't really know how to contour that well. I literally just take this stick and put it like on the edges of my face and then beauty blend it in.
Don't roast me, okay? I'm sorry.
Do a little blushy lush, you know, so you can look all cute for the boys and then they want to ask you to dance. And you have these cute little blushy cheeks. Someone might just be like, oh my gosh, look at that girl with the rosy cheeks. That looks so natural. I want to dance with her. Honestly, boys won't really notice what kind of makeup you're wearing. This is for you. This is for those pictures. This is just to make you feel like a confident woman or man. I'm going to also use some powder over that just to sustain the longevity of this makeup look, and always some on the nose, as Summer McKeen taught me, to look a little sunburnt, you know. And then we're also going to do some highlighter as well as some powder highlighter over it. You know, it's prom, so get crazy with that holographic highlighter if you wanna. If you're feeling feisty and you wanna look cute under those disco lights, and really load up that nose highlight so that you glisten when you look up at your little partner dancing with you, so you can just be like, And this will give you like a mix of like gold and pink highlight if you use these ones. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Made it up myself. Made it up on the spot because that's just what expert beauty gurus do, you know? Make those boys blind, honey. Look at that nose highlighter. I think nose highlight is like the cutest part about makeup ever. And you put right there and right there and right there on all the little parts of your face that just like stick out. And that's it for the face. And now we're going to do the eyeballs. Before we get into the eyes, I'm going to put on some chapstick to prime our lips. You know, you might kiss some people. Hopefully not, because that's just like disgusting, but you know, maybe, possibly. I'm going to use the Naked 3 palette because it is the only one I own and it looks pretty. It's pink and stuff, right? So we're gonna just try this. I'm gonna start with this like white shade called Strange. I don't know how to do this. Just gonna put this on there. Wow.
Wow.
This is called your base, I believe. Wow.
Wow.
And then I'm gonna take my Sigma Blending E25 and I'm not gonna use it to blend. I'm going to use it to put on. Can you guess which one I'm gonna put on? Because I don't even know. Let's choose one. How about Limit? We're gonna choose Limit. I use this one a lot. I put that on the outer half of my eyeball. And I'm gonna take a little itty itty bitty brush, and I'm gonna use some Mug Shot and put that in my crease. Just darkening up this crease here, you know. That's cool, I guess. If I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really the biggest fan of eyeshadow, so I almost did like a no eyeshadow, just glossy eye look, which you can do too. It's really up to you. If you don't like eyeshadow, you can get a friend to do it, or you could just say YOLO swag, you don't need eyeshadow. Now, if you have a really pretty dress from David's Bridal, it will just completely distract you from what's happening up here. Oh, shoot. No! No! Everything's falling apart. And I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and we're gonna do a winged eyeliner look. Now be careful, this could ruin your entire makeup prom look. We did it! Kind of, I think. I'm gonna skip on the fake eyelashes today just because fake eyelashes are hard, you know, man? But I'm going to go into with some mascara. That wasn't a cohesive sentence. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation. Even though you are not trying to be a temptation to boys, young ladies. No! Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I did the eye mascara. The eye mascara. Clearly I'm not a big guru. Okay, finally, for the lips. This has been so stressful for me if you can't tell. Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick in Dulce K. It's a nice brown color, makes me look a little bit older than 12. Okay, we have completed the makeup look finally. Now we're going to do the hair. I have a bob now, so I'm just going to curl it and then kind of like do some little pieces back like that. I finished the makeup and hair look, so I'm going to get dressed now, and I actually have two dresses, so I want you guys to tell me which one I should wear to prom. Okay. My microphone was off, but here's me saying, here's dress number 1.
Gucci gang, Gucci.
Hello, little boy.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Love you more.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, would you be so kind as to fall in love with me? You see, I'm trying. I know you know that I like you.